Today we are right here in Celina, Texas, and we are in the community of Ramble, and we're getting into one of the best floor plans and my favorite floor plan in all of Texas, and that crosses all of the different builders, and we see them all. And this thing is absolutely fantastic. Now, today we're seeing the 2-story version, but this does come in a single-story version. This is perfect for those young families or executives that are looking for space. This thing is well over 3,500 square feet, all in one level, and another additional 500-600 square feet more if you want the 2-story design. This is on a 74-foot lot, but you can also build it on an 84-foot lot right here in Celina, Texas. This thing is absolutely stunning, and the best thing is it starts off at $774. Unbelievable value, and the deals that they are giving right now, coupled with our family give back program, and this thing is a no-brainer. Can't wait to show you, so let's get on it.
All right, Andy, let's go take a look at this floor plan that we absolutely love. My favorite part of this one is that office.
This thing is absolutely fantastic, and like I said, on one level it's 45 square feet. You can get it all the way up to 4672 square feet for that additional upstairs. But as a single story, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Look how wide this is. I love how you can just see right through and there's no obstructions whatsoever.
And I would do it just like this with the beams. It is phenomenal.
It's perfect, right? And then double door of glass.
I love this entryway. It's so wide, and this whole step-up area is so pretty.
Yeah, now this would be walled off, obviously, if you aren't doing it stairs, but it is still 2 steps up. You've got a powder bath that is right here that you can be utilized for your guests, as well as this fantastic office. And look how big this thing is, and tall. Look at the ceilings, Patrice.
I absolutely love this room.
Yeah, look at the
huge
wall of windows right here on the corner like that. Just stunning, isn't it?
Yes, it really is. And I really like the way they did this couch. I might do the same if I had this office.
You know what? This is, we don't say this very often, but this thing is definitely on our list.
It's a contender, for sure.
It's definitely a contender. Look at this. I mean, I could just get so much work done here.
Yes, I love it.
Or could I? Because of those windows. Would I be looking at this community, just so you know, it's going to have 30 miles of trails. It's all about nature, kind of bringing the inside out and all that stuff. They've got huge trees. We're at the highest point in all of Collin County, right here in Celina. We are so bullish on this community, I can't even tell you. So you've got the best builders, the best developer, all in one package. This thing is fantastic. Now, as you come across, on this other side, you've got a guest bedroom number 1. Like I said, this is built as a 5-bedroom because it's got the upstairs, but traditionally it would be a 4-bedroom. Look at this space. You've got a queen-size bed. You've got an own ensuite.
And I love all those windows. I like that there's one right behind you and then the 3 here.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. And then it's got its own ensuite, so let me go check that out.
Patrice, did I tell you that they are giving right now $30,000 towards your design, right? So if you spend, let's say $100,000 in design and upgrades and all that good stuff, you're only gonna come out of pocket $70,000 because they're giving you $30,000 back. But on top of that, they're giving you $50,000 if you use their preferred lender to buy down the rate. You couple that with our 1.5% that we give back personally out of our own pockets to you. This is an absolute no-brainer, guys. You hit that dream home form and let's get you started in the conversation.
And with Drees, we have to come in with you the first time.
Yeah. There's no skipping around that. So you have to hit the dream home form. You got to talk to us, and you got to spend a couple hours with us. You know, come on.
We're fun.
Yeah. All right, now let's go take a look at this. And again, look at just how wide this is and how fantastic. I just love the whole downstairs, right? And then look at this media room. Look how big this thing is. Absolutely fantastic. I can just picture those movie nights with your kids sitting here watching, you know, on a Friday, Saturday night. I'm aging myself with Blockbuster, but we used to do that with our kids in the early stages. Blockbuster was still around and we'd rent has some movie nights with popcorn and all that good stuff. This is a perfect room to do that in. Or now what I would use it for is watching golf or football in the falls. Oh my gosh, it's fantastic.
All right, well, let's go look at this amazing family area.
Now, this is an option, right? It's kind of like that wine bar area. How it comes standard is on the other side of this wall is the snack closet or pantry, and it would extend all the way out here. So a giant, definitely Costco
I
approved.
think I might like that,
Yeah.
actually. Let me go in here so you can take a look, though, since this is an option. Look at how beautiful that cabinetry is in there. You've got the wine fridge. It's pretty cool in there, actually. And then we turn around.
Look how gorgeous this room is. You know, got the nice fireplace centered in the room. Got your TV on the one side, your primary on the other, and then it opens up right to this 4-bed island with waterfall edge, nice kitchen, completely upgraded. You've got a 6-burner cooktop. Everything that you would expect in a Drees home, you're getting with this. And like I said, you put that with that $30,000 is gonna go a long way to help you get some of these upgrades.
Yeah, this is a beautiful kitchen. I love the way they've done this. And I wanted to point out really quick, Andy, is how they did the beam up above right there, and then they did the big one up here. I mean, this is our kind of house.
Oh yeah,
beams.
no, this is, like I said, everything about this house, the Eastland 2 has just been one of my favorite models ever since I saw it in Windsong Ranch way back in the day. But coming over here, this is where you would be coming in through the laundry area, through your garage.
Look at how nice this is.
And when you have the single story option, this is extended a little bit because you don't have the stairs there taking up a little bit of
so
the
you
space.
get a nice big laundry. But
Absolutely.
look at that. Look at the cabinetry. This is beautiful.
And then look at this. This is already a Costco approved snack closet, but you can get it extended another 4 or 5 feet, and then you can make it a prep kitchen. You can do all sorts of things in here.
This is great. This is like one of my top favorites for sure of snack closets.
Now look at that dining area. What do you think of this?
You can fit a much bigger table in there if you needed to.
Yeah, if you got rid of this, maybe you have a little bit bigger table. You could put like maybe an 8-person.
Yeah, if you have a
dining.
big family, this is really, really nice.
So before we go down on that patio, on this side of the home, you've got 2 of your other secondary bedrooms. So let's go this way. Look at the size of these things. Really good size. You've got a walk-in closet, and then they have a Jack and Jill bathroom.
There's the closet. Here's the bathroom. And then you walk on through, and you've got the wet areas right here. Tile all the way up, of course. And then they've got this sink right here that goes to this bedroom. I love this.
Yeah, no, I love everything about this house. I mean, this is a contender for us, for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Now, let's go out into the patio, and then we'll get into that primary, and then we'll go upstairs. Now, look at this patio. Love how big it is. Instead of having a picture right here, I'd have a TV. You know me. You got the sliders right here. This thing is perfect. And then look at, I love how they put the outdoor kitchen out here. You've got a fire feature. So you've got everything that you would possibly want. And this is on the 74-foot lot, but you can even get this floor plan on the 84-foot lot. Now with the 84-foot lot, you do have a minimum size of 3,500 square feet, but this 35 plus square foot single story home can be yours on that 84-foot lot.
And they only have 9 of them, so
Yeah.
you gotta jump kind of quick.
You gotta jump right now. You gotta give Andy and Patrice a call. So let's jump on that right away.
Absolutely. Now we'll go take a look at this primary. It's on this side. I love that nice big beefy mantle. That is beautiful.
Yep.
All right, and here is the ensuite. Look at this. I like the way they did the lights right here underneath. That's pretty cool.
And it's a waterfall edge, kind of that floating look. And then you've got your nice soaking tub, and of course, Patrice, a jewel box shower.
Everybody's catering to you with these jewel box showers.
Hey, I just, you know. I just like it.
Look at that. 2 niches. You've got a little bench. And that actually could be similar to... yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it kind of gives that same thing, right?
And then you've got this sink over here. This whole area.
And then look at this. Look at this closet, how big it is.
This is very nice. And you've got this side too.
All right, Patrice, and this thing starts at $774. This is crazy.
Yes.
So let's go check out the primary.
Let's do that. All right. Oh, look at how nice and big this is.
Oh man. And they didn't even do a bump out here. You can still do a bump out and all that good stuff, but I don't even know if you need it. It's so big.
Yeah, this is a lot of space. And this furniture is not small.
No, this is big. This is great size. I mean, Patrice, I'm loving everything about this house. Guys,
I agree.
Let us know down below in the comments. Would you buy this house? What do you guys think? Let us know how you feel. And then now, that really is the single story portion of this. Again, you do have that option to go upstairs. So let's go take a look and see what they've done up there.
Okay. All right, Andy, here we are in the game room.
Yeah, so this is all optional, $80,000 to $100,000 depending on what you want to do. There's a couple different options, but you get a lot more space. And if you're looking for space for either the grandkids or maybe, you know, your teenagers, you want them to have their own space, this is perfect, right? You've got that kind of kick out area where you can have a game table. You got this where you can put a pool table, you can put any sort of entertaining TV, media room, however you want to design it. And then you've got a bedroom as well. So you've got a lot of different options up here.
It's got those nice windows above there. You've got one to the side so you can bring light in from all angles.
And then you've got a walk-in closet, and then just outside of the bedroom is the bathroom that serves all upstairs. So guys, let us know what you think. I mean, when you put everything into consideration, this is getting into phase 1. This is gonna have over 4,000 homes, 30 miles of trails. They're giving away $30,000 for your options, another $50,000 for your buy down rate or closing costs, however you want to do it. But I definitely recommend the buy down. Then you couple that with our 1.5% family give back program, where we give 1.5% of our commissions right out of our pocket and into yours. This is an absolute no-brainer. Hit that dream home form. Let's get you started. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.